How can I create or set up my GCash 4-digit MPIN?
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you on how to create or set up your GCash 4-digit MPIN. GCash is a popular mobile wallet in the Philippines that allows you to make cashless transactions, pay bills, and more. Setting up your MPIN is an essential step to secure your GCash account. So, let's get started.
Accessing the GCash app.
To create or set up your GCash 4-digit MPIN, the first thing you need to do is access the GCash app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once you have the app installed, open it up and log in to your GCash account.
Navigating to MPIN settings.
After logging in to your GCash account, tap on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the app screen. This will open the side menu. From the side menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you will find various options related to your GCash account.
Changing your MPIN.
Within the Settings menu, locate and select the Change GCash MPIN option. This will prompt you to enter your current MPIN. If you haven't set up an MPIN before, you can skip this step and proceed to the next one.
Setting up your MPIN.
To set up your GCash 4-digit MPIN, you will need to enter a 4-digit numeric code. Make sure to choose a code that is easy for you to remember but not easily guessable by others. Avoid using simple sequences like 1234 or repeating digits like 1111. Once you have decided on your MPIN, enter it in the designated field.
Confirming your MPIN.
After entering your desired MPIN, you will be asked to confirm it by entering the same 4-digit code again. Double-check that you have entered the correct MPIN to ensure that it matches your intended code. If the two entries match, proceed to the next step.
Successful MPIN setup.
Congratulations! You have successfully created or set up your GCash 4-digit MPIN. This MPIN will serve as your personal identification number for accessing your GCash account and authorizing transactions. Remember to keep your MPIN confidential and do not share it with anyone. In this video, we covered the steps to create or set up your GCash 4-digit MPIN. It is crucial to have a strong and secure MPIN to protect your GCash account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the GCash app's help center or contact their customer support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy using GCash!